What the Twaid out is going on? What the Twaid out is going on? Welcome to therapy. Hey guys, welcome back to therapy. If you are new here, my name is Rosa. As you can tell by the title, what the Twaid out. I mean, you can see clearly what's going on. Some poppin', beautiful, defined, voluptuous curl situation is going on, okay? If you have not tried a Twaid out yet, you definitely want to give it a try, sis. You definitely want to give it a try. I'm upset with myself for not filming and showing you guys this up until this point. I first did one last fall, so why it took me like a whole year to get a YouTube video up about this technique that I clearly love, I don't know, something's wrong with me. We'll blame it on the pandemic, you know, a lot of stuff going on. But anyway, I'm gonna be showing you guys my first impressions of Flora Curl. They were kind enough to send me over a couple of their products to try out, so I'm going to give you guys a quick look at how I use them and my thoughts, my first impressions, along with how to do a Twaid out. So if you are interested, please keep watching.
Okay, this is the Organic Rose and Honey Cream Shampoo and Cream Conditioner. Each of the bottles say hydrate me on the labels, so I'm guessing that this is going to be more of a hydrating shampoo and conditioner just from the labeling. So let's get into trying them. Just gonna wet my hair. Alright, so I'm going in with the shampoo. It has a really creamy consistency, as you'll see. So I am going to work this into my hair. It has a light floral scent. It's not too strong. I thought it smelled quite nice, but as you can see, it's really not creating much of a lather. So you're gonna see me pick up this bottle a couple of times trying to get some kind of lather going on. As you can see, like, my hair is really thick, and so I really like shampoos with a good lather because it makes it easier to spread it around and make sure that all of it is clean. So that is one struggle I was having with the shampoo. So I rinsed that out and I'm going back in again to see if I get a better lather with it, and I would say it's giving me a little bit more of a lather with the second wash. So eventually I was able to get a pretty good lather with it, but I used a lot of shampoo to get this. So I wanted to show you guys how it rinses out. So even when it's rinsed out, like, it still has a rich and creamy consistency versus like a soapy, bubbly, sudsy consistency. Kind of reminds me of rinsing out a clay mask. So now I'm going in with the cream conditioner. I did not detangle my hair before washing, so I was really looking for this conditioner to help me to detangle my hair and put it in the 4 sections I usually do when styling, which it did. As you can see, I'm working the comb up, detangling fairly easily. So that is something I did love about the conditioner. I'm gonna go in with my Felicia Leatherwood brush. It seems to really be melting into my hair, which is something I really like with my conditioners. I did leave it on my hair for a little bit, but I did not deep condition with this. I deep conditioned with something else this day. So, but yeah, I just want to show you guys that, you know, it looks pretty good. It looks like it really, my hair is soaking it up. So that's something I do like about the conditioner. This is my hair after rinsing out the conditioner. It looks okay to me. It's not the best I've seen my hair looking after conditioning, but you know, it looks okay. So now we're gonna go to styling. I'm using the curl activating lotion, and then I'm gonna go in with the curl defining gel. Both of them are sweet hibiscus. So yeah, I'm going to dampen my hair with some warm water, detangle. First, I'm taking the curl activating lotion and working that in. So I'm seeing a little activation, but the real magic happens when you put the curl defining gel on it. And I'm just gonna detangle one more time before we start the Twaid. Okay, so the Twaid technique. So I'm going to separate the section into 3 even sections and start to braid. And then a pro tip, so that each of your braided sections are pretty equal throughout. Every time I crossed over the hair as I braided, I counted. And so for me, I would count to 20, and then once I get to 20, I'm going to take one of the sections, split it in half. I like to detangle again really quick, and then I'm going to start 2-strand twisting all the way down. And then you have a Twaid. Here's my hair all Twaided up. Altogether, I had about 17 Twaids in my hair, and they look so good and juicy. Yes. These came out really good. I'm loving it. All right, so next we're gonna get to the takedown, and that's where more magic happens. All right, so this is about, I wanna say a couple days later. So basically, you know, you oil your hands the same way you do with any style. You're gonna simply unravel the twist, and then you're gonna find that third section that we had split in half and kind of separate that out, and then you'll unravel the braid really easy after that. And so once you get the braid out, you'll have 4 well defined curls to separate. So I'm going to quickly separate a couple to show you how defined and, you know, voluptuous the curls are with this technique. So this
is what a Twaid out looks like. I am loving the definition. First off, like, the reason why I like doing this style so much is because of the volume that I'm able to get on day one. Like, I could easily pick this out some more and do some more separating, and she would be so voluptuous. But I'm gonna let her chill. I'm gonna let her, you know, go a couple days and pick as the days go by, so I can maintain as much of this gorgeous definition as I can. But yeah, I mean, if you haven't done a Twaid out yet, what are you doing? Oh, I just can't stop. Okay. Flora and Curl. What did I think about the products? So, earlier in the video, you saw me use the shampoo and the conditioner. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. The shampoo wasn't my, you know, favorite product. I struggled to get a good lather in my hair. So I don't know, I guess the shampoo just doesn't work for me in my hair, and that's okay. It smelled nice, and I did like the creamy consistency of the shampoo. I just wish that, you know, it lathered more. It wouldn't be the first thing I grab for when it comes to washing my hair. The conditioner, you know, really helped me to detangle my hair after washing it, and I didn't have that same problem as where I felt as though I needed a ton of the conditioner to really detangle my hair. I was able to use a good amount and, you know, detangle my hair. So let's get into probably my two favorites of the 4 products that I used. As you can see, I'm loving the results that it gave me. It's giving me shine, it's giving me hold, it's giving me moisturized curls. When I was taking out my twists, there were like white specks snowing in the room. But as you can see, there's really no white, I mean, there's little specks in my hair, and it may be because I used a ton of the gel. Like, I used a ton of this gel, and I probably didn't need that much. So I'm definitely gonna try these again, because I liked, like I said, I liked the way that they had my hair feeling, and I like the results that I got with them. I am gonna cut back a little bit on the gel next time and see if I am able to get beautiful results like these without, you know, all of the white little specks flying off. Yeah, big thanks to Flora and Curl for sending me these products to try. Yeah, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you have tried a Twaid out, or if you are excited to try one now. This is maybe my 3rd or 4th Twaid out, and my first time recording it for YouTube, so I don't know what I was doing, but it's here now. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Feel free to leave down below any questions or any comments about this technique or the Flora and Curl products that I use to do my hair, and I will catch you guys in my next video.